is that malnutrition is the lack of balanced diet, which can lead to malnutrition, and it can have variety of outcomes. So if we are not taking the balanced diet, it may lead to malnutrition, and it has different results. It has different effects. Number one is starvation. Starvation is caused by eating too little food. It leads to weight loss, organ damage, muscle atrophy, and eventually death. So starvation is basically, you can say it is hungriness, and it is caused by eating very less quantity of food, and it will lead to weight loss. Starvation will lead to weight loss. Your weight will be reduced. The organs and the other parts of the body will be damaged. Muscles may be destroyed, and the person will ultimately lead to death. Constipation. Constipation is caused by a lack of fiber, leads to pain, stomachache, and inability to defecate. Constipation is the condition in which there is a lot of pain, there is a lot of stomachache, the person is not very, and the person is not in a good condition, he cannot feel so much well because of its stomach, and he is unable to defecate properly. And this constipation is caused when we do not take a lot of fiber foods, when the quantity of fiber is less in our diet. Like wheat is a fiber, so if we don't take wheat or fiber items, it will lead to constipation. Coronary heart disease. It is caused by the buildup of cholesterol in the coronary artery, which limits blood flow to the heart and causes heart attacks. Cholesterol is a result of too much saturated fat in the diet, which comes from foods such as high-fat dairy products and fatty meats. So, coronary heart disease is a disease that is being caused by the cholesterol. If the cholesterol levels are high in the coronary artery, it will restrict the blood flow to the heart, and it will cause heart attacks. The blood will not flow properly to the heart from the coronary artery. And cholesterol is also a result of too much saturated fat in our diet. We are taking too much cholesterol in our diet, and the cholesterol is why it occurred, and why it is gathered due to the fat. Like if we are taking a lot of oil and fried items in our diet, it will create fats, masses of fats in our body. If we are taking a lot of fried items, it will create masses of fats in our body. And if we take a lot of meat, fatty meat, which has a lot of fat, and a lot of dairy products, if we are taking a lot of dairy products which has high amount of fats, it will lead to the amount of cholesterol increase.